Hello guys, it's me again, Maria. Now I'm back. Okay, so in this video, I will be showing you guys how you put a border around your text where you insert your images, you insert your videos, things like that using Canva. I got a question to one of my subscribers. I had a tutorial on that, how you can insert your own image or your videos inside those letters or text. So without any further ado, let's jump into my computer. And don't forget to subscribe and to like this channel. And thank you so much, guys, for those who subscribe. And please subscribe to my channel and help me to get this channel better and better. Thank you so much. So let's do this. All right, so now here we go, guys. So now I'm on my computer and let's go to Canva. Go to your Google and then go to Canva. Okay, so if you already have an account to Canva, just go straight and you know what to do. So from here, I'm gonna do some presentations. I'm gonna click that one and I'm gonna get the blank template so you can see how I do it. So before you do that, what you're gonna do is just to put all the letters first, of course, or the text that you want to put some borders, but in this tutorial I'm going to use my name. So here in this blank template, you go to elements and then type the word frame. Alright, so I've already done this, and when you finish typing the keyword frames, it gives you all different kinds of frames. But since in this tutorial I'm going to use letters, so just scroll down a little bit here and you will find a lot of letters, but I'm going to use my name. Okay, so I'm going to get the M and then the A, R, I, and A. Okay, just for the sake of this tutorial, I'm gonna use my name. So once you put all the letters that you want to use to put borders on it, I'm just gonna bring this up here and you know just resize a little bit so it will fit into the template. All right, so from here I'm gonna separate each letter. Oh, where's the I? And there you go. So I got the I, and I put, as you see, it's not really on you know, really on the space that we need, but just to make sure that it's all in the middle. So what you're gonna do is just to drag all of this and go to the position and just position it tidy up, so it will position tidy up. All right, so now there you go, and we're going to group all of this. Go there and click the group, so when you move it goes all together. Right, so from here, once you finish this is the time that you insert all the image or video, whatever you want for each letter. Okay, so let's go to uploads, and then all you're gonna do is just to upload all the pictures that you want to put for each letter. So I just grab a lot of pictures here, like for example I want to put this one. You just drag on each letter and just like that. All right, drag all the pictures that you want to put inside of your of your letters. Okay, go, and one more, this one. All right, so now once you've done all the pictures that you want to put into your text, before we put the border, you cannot put the border after this. We have to save this and upload again. So once you okay with this, all you're gonna do is just to click the share and upload it to your computer. Okay, download it and choose the JPEG. Okay, the JPEG and then download it. So now it's downloading into your computer, into my computer. Okay, so I'm just gonna rename this like text. Okay, and I'm gonna put it into my desktop so I know where is it, and then save it. There you go. So once you've done with that, we're going back here. I'm just delete this one, and I'm going to upload the file that we saved it. Okay, so this is it. This is what we did, right? So open it and it will upload here into your into this site. Okay, where is it? There you go. So what you're gonna do is just to drag this one over here, and there you go. So now you can resize this. I'm gonna make it a little bigger, guys, so you can see. There you go. Alright, so there are two types of borders that you can, two ways that you can put borders on this. So the first type of border that you might want it to use is this. So all you're gonna do is just to click this one and click the edit image. So I'm gonna remove the background. You need to remove the background. If you're having a free account in Canva, I don't think you have this background remover. But if you have a pro account, then you can get this background remover. But if you don't have a background remover, you can go to other apps or free sites that can remove the backgrounds. Okay, and then upload it again, and then upload to Canva. Okay, so I'm gonna click this one to remove the background, and as you see, the background, it's removing. And let's wait for a second. And after that, once the background removed, then it is the time that we can put the border. Okay, so now there is no background. All right, so I'm gonna click the image again, and then now as you see, there is shadows here. We have the background remover, then we have all the shadows. If you don't have this, just upload it into your Canva. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna use the shadows. Okay, if you want to put a border, click the shadows, and I will click the glow. There are so many options that you wanted to choose here, but for this tutorial, I'm gonna choose the glows so you can easily see how all the borders, goes around for each letter. So I'm gonna click the glow, and then click one more time. Okay, once you click it, it will show you this. Okay, so for the transparency, you just drag this to 100, and for the blur, you just give it a 0. And as you see here, guys, I'm gonna make a little bit bigger. As you see, just a little bit border over here. So for the size, this is the size 4. So I just going to drag this a little bit here so you can see the thickness of the border. Okay, so now you see it's getting thicker and thicker. Alright, so now you see there is a black border here, but you can change the color. Just click this one, and you can choose the color that you want to the borders of your letters. Okay, here you go. You can play around and choose which color do you want for your projects. Okay, so let's say I choose this purple one, and I'll just click the apply. There you go. So once you click the apply, now you already have a border for your names. Alright, so this is the first way that you can put borders for your letters. Okay, so the other way that you can do this is to click this one, make another copy and paste. Okay, so now you have 2. Alright, so after that, okay, I'm gonna put this a little bit here so you can see. So this is the second one. So if you want to put some the other way of putting borders, click this one, the one you duplicate, go to image, and then click the click shadows. If you choose the glow and double it, and then here you can also adjust the transparency to 0, go to blur, and go to size, and as you see, it changes again, right? Alright, so now I have 2 borders. I have the black and I have a purple. Okay, so once you've done with that, if you want to change the black to other color, you can do that if you want to. See that? Okay, but I will stick into black so it's easily for you guys to see it. Once you've done with this, all you're gonna do is just to put this one up here to cover the first one that you made it. Alright, now there you go. So you don't need to do it over and over again. If you want a double border, you can do that at the same time. But first you have to do the first border, and then if you want to add another border, all you gotta do is just to duplicate it and put the border and just put on top of your first text. So what you're gonna do is just to group this one so that when you move this, it's, you know, we duplicate, right? So once you group this one, it will not, you know, show you a two names or two texts that you put a border. Yeah, so that's how you can put the borders for your text, and that's easy as like. There are two ways. You can double it, or you can just single. Just play around to all the colors that you want to put on your text, and that's it. And yeah, so thank you so much guys for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you. And if you have any questions, just let me know down in the comments, and please, please, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and help me to build this channel to get better and better for all of us. And I want to give a shout out to Jody Dawn, and that's why I make this video, because she's asking if can you add a border color, and yes you can. So I hope this tutorial helps you, and if you have any questions, just let me know down the comment, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for my future videos. So thank you so much guys. Bye for now.